Oh, come on. Sometimes you don't need to battle gods or demons. It's nice to just have fun singing with people while relaxing, you know?
Ooh. Oh my gosh, sorry about that.
Are you all right?
Are you boyfriend and girlfriend?
Sure we are.
I've seen you battling other people with your rap skills. Safe to say, I'm a huge fan of yours. You two have huge guts to face off against those scary people. Not to mention, your singing is really rad. Like, really awesome.
Aw, thank you.
Oh, actually, I've been making a song of my own too. I've been working on it for a good while. Would you guys mind if we have a go? It would be such an honor. My name's Blue, by the way.
Oh, come on, boyfriend. Why not give it a try?
Thank you so much.
3, 2, 1, go!
It was so much fun, and I didn't think you would accept it. I'm glad you like my song too. I tried coming up with something real good, so I'm really glad.
What's all the commotions here?
Oh, hi, Minnie. I didn't see you there. I was just having a rap battle with boyfriend over there.
Boyfriend? Is this the guy you were talking about some time ago?
Yep. Actually, Minnie, why don't you try to battle with him with the song I made for you? I want to see you sing with each other.
Oh, sure. Haven't practiced my voice in a while, though.
3, 2, 1, go!
And then I said, why are you such a furry?
Not bad, little guy. You've got some schmooze.
Oh, hey, Blue and Minnie. What's up?
Oh, J-Coast. Good timing. We're having fun singing with boyfriend over there.
Ooh, that sounds like fun. Do you mind if I hop in? Blue made a song for me as well. I want to try it out.
3, 2, 1, go!
Are you gonna start working?
I'll get to that soon.
Uh-huh.
But in the meantime, why don't we take a little break and hop in?
No,
Well, I know you'll like it. I'll just put us in here real quick.
I don't really have an option, do I?
Woo! What a crowd!
How did you not crack under pressure, J-Ghost?
Oh, I didn't even notice.
Ash, creeping him out staring like that. Say something.
Oh, hello there. Me and Severa just wanted to join in with all of you.
Oh, sure. The more the merrier.
Aw, hey, Cerberus. Ain't this fun?
Sure is. Really gets the serotonin flowing.
You sure about that? I ain't winning here. It's fun, but a bit loud.
3, 2, 1, go!
Cerberus, you can talk.
Right.
Aw, don't tease Blue like that.
See? It's nice doing rap battles like this while hanging out with them. Beep. Peppa. Hey, boyfriend, look! Beep.
Huh? What does that even mean? Why do we need a rap battle with Leaf? Who the hell even names themselves boyfriend and girlfriend? Was that their parents?
Beep.
We'll be right back.
Bye.